Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the freezer basket support rail in an LG refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. It should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new freezer basket support rail. This left side freezer basket support rail is mounted on the left side freezer door support. Together with the right side rail, it supports the freezer basket, allowing it to slide in and out. If the freezer basket won't move freely, check the basket support rail and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Next, I'm going to pull out the upper freezer drawer all the way out. Next, I'm going to depress this locking tab, push it in, and lift on the basket here. Now we're on the left side, and I'm going to do the same thing. Press in the tab and lift the basket. Now we're going to lift it up and pull it out. Let's pull out this rail, and you'll see this lever here. I'm going to press it down to unlock the rail, and we're going to slide the rail out. All right, so we have 3 Phillips screws. I'm going to remove them using a Phillips screwdriver. And I'm going to take off this support rail. Leave the hinge here. This is the old freezer basket support rail next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. So we got here a new rail, and I place it onto the hinge. We got here pilot openings on the hinge, and we got 1, 2 little pins here that are going to show the correct position of the rail. And now we're going to secure it with these 3 Phillips screws. And now we are ready to insert the hinge. Slide it in, press down the lever. All right, this is our freezer basket. We need to install both gears on the sides over on the tracks there. And we need to put this wire under this tab here, like that. Next, I'm going to lock this wire, the basket wire, into the rail just by pressing it down. And we need to do the same thing on the opposite side. So hold on to the rail and push the basket in, and right there. And now I'm going to lock it in here. Press it in. Now I can slide the basket in. And now when we're done, we can close the freezer door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.